Hi all, welcome to another session of English lecture notes. In last video we discussed Robert Louis Stevenson's biography. Now just go through one of the poem written by him. Title of the poem is From a Railway Carriage. From a Railway Carriage. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. And charging along like troops in a battle. All through the meadows the horses and cattle. All of the sights of the hill and the plain. Fly as thick as driving rain.
And ever again, in the wink of an eye.
Painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles. All by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes. And there is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road. And here is a mill and there is a river. Each a glimpse and gone forever. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of our coming videos.